Hi everyone, it's Veronica, and I am here to share with you a couple of online hauls that I received. The first one is from Peachy Cheap, and they had an Echo Park deal that was $9.99. In the deal, you received a package of enamel dots, and those colors are so pretty and springy. The Have Faith paper pad, and these are really pretty papers. Double-sided. Those flower vases have trust, faith, hope, joy, love, just beautiful. Here's some cut-aparts. These can be cut apart as borders. These are churches. There's some paper there. The stripes, beautiful. You can punch these out with the small hole punch. Look at those butterflies. Really pretty paper. And these cut aparts. And this is the stamp set that is at Hobby Lobby. So now I think I need to get it. And then they start to repeat themselves. But the paper, they're gold. Ooh, let me go back to that. Look how pretty that is. And it has some faint stripes in it. Beautiful. Okay, so we have the enamel dots. We have the paper pad. We also have some rub-ons. Gorgeous. And of course, they supply you with that fabulous tool to rub them on with. And some chipboard pieces. So for $9.99, I thought this was an awesome deal. It did sell out quite quickly. A couple of crafty friends that I know that were planning to order it were not successful. And I am so sorry. But this is a beautiful set for $10. I thought awesome. And then the shipping was $4 and some change. I can't remember what it was, which I thought was pretty cool. Okay, and then I also placed an order with My Favorite Things. They had a kit. And I'm first going to show you some of the possibilities that they were showing. This is a treat bag topper kit. So you see there, these are the items that were included. And look at this. This bunny die set sold out really quickly. I didn't try to get that one, but when I looked a second time, it was gone. How cute is this? And look at the rainbow and the clouds and the sun. I love these inspiration pieces that they included. The Get Well, that's really cute. Okay, so this is the treat bag topper die. This is a big size die. Really nice size. Let's see if it has the dimensions. No, but it says it'll cut through cardstock, thin chipboard, 1/4-inch cork, felt, acetate, sticky back canvas, fabric, denim, sandpaper, 2mm craft foam, wood veneer paper, photo magnet sheets, and more. So I absolutely love this. And I'm so sorry I keep hitting my camera, my iPad. So that's the die. Then there are 3 types of bags that are included. These are the glassine bags. Then there are just some, and this is nice quality, very nice quality. And I had them upside down, but these bags, they're just flat. So it's 10 of those. And then there are the gusseted bags. Very nice bags. So 10 each of those. And these are the papers that are included, and I left out one of my glassine bags, so that makes 10. Okay, this is the tickled pink, the ripe raspberry, orange zest, lemon chiffon, limelight, summer splash. This is some really, really nice cardstock. Blue breeze, blueberry, wild wisteria, and lavender fields. So that is the kit from My Favorite Things. I am not sure if they even, I'm thinking they're sold out of this kit as well. And I thought it was a pretty good price. Of course, you know, when companies sell, they have to make a profit. But for all of this, the kit was $30 plus your shipping. So I thought that was really a really nice deal. So those are my items that I hauled. Just wanted to share that with you. And with this MFT kit, thank you, Shantae, because she sent me a text. I had seen it, but was thinking it was later, like next week or something, when it was going to go on sale. But she texted me the day that it went on sale, so I was able to jump right on and get it. So thank you very, very much. Thank you all for watching. Happy crafting.